Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by securing a stable hold. Thumbs on thumb hook, instrument balanced against your right thigh. Once done, bring the upper hand into position so the palm keys sit under the base of your fingers, not the very tips. Press each palm key with a deliberate, light motion. This creates a clean seal and prevents overpressing that muffles tone. Pay attention to why. Relaxed support keeps the embouchure steady, which directly affects tuning and response when you first engage those higher notes. Now coordinate the fingers with the air. When you move to a palm key, increase a steady, controlled airstream and close the jaw slightly to center pitch. Once done, use a subtle wrist rotation and keep the fingertips anchored to nearby keys so the palm motion is independent and smooth. Practice slowly, play scales at 1/4 to 1/2 speed, isolate each transition, and repeat. The why. Slow repetition builds muscle memory, so rapid shifts stay in tune and clean when you speed. Finish by integrating palm key work into a daily routine. Warm up slow, increase to medium tempo, then play melodic lines for 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, record and listen closely. You want clear attack and stable pitch. Adjust embouchure and airstream as needed. If a note squeaks or won't speak, troubleshoot. Make sure the pad seals fully, your finger contacts are centered, and you aren't gripping with excess tension. That single adjustment often fixes most palm key problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.